My name is Queency Koskei. I'm from Laikipia County, Kenya. I've done most of the theory part and I've never gotten a chance to participate in the lab work. So for me it was interesting to see how the extraction of DNA is done and to follow each step.
My name is Mathew Korir. I come from Marakwet County, Rift Valley, Kenya. I've been having a challenge of diagnosing a disease, seeing the symptoms and telling my farmer that this is the right disease and this is the solution. It's the first time for me to have a hands-on molecular work since I had the theory part in my campus, in my BSc, and in the lab doing the DNA extraction. It has been something that I have yearned for years and I've never had a chance to do. I will be a win if my farmers or my people will gain knowledge from me at a later stage.
My name is Kandie from Eldoret, Kenya. I'm a lecturer. I teach undergraduate, masters, and also supervise PhD students, and I also undertake research. Being in an African setup, we have issues with equipment, lab equipment. So it's not that we don't have, but it's just because that we sometimes have inadequate lab facilities. So it ends up limiting the scope of your research. Everything in general was interesting. Just getting a hands-on feel on preparing PCR samples, DNA samples, extracting the samples, actually performing the gel and even visualizing it, that to me was really interesting. So from day one, I got total interest. Trying to venture into this new field of environmental DNA, I will definitely take up the techniques, the skills, especially the tools, the software tools that we were able to learn. Asante sana IPBO and karibu Kenya.